Isaac Hayden is a professional footballer who plays as a midfielder for Premier League club Newcastle United. Hayden played for Southend United until he was 13 years old. Then he moved to London to join Arsenal's academy. Hayden made his Arsenal debut in the League Cup in September 2013. He would go on to make one other appearance in the League Cup for Arsenal. In 2015, Hayden joined Hull City on a season-long loan. He played 24 games for Hull City, scoring 1 goal and creating 1 assist. In July of 2016, Hayden joined Newcastle United on a permanent transfer. Hayden went on to win the 2016-2017 championship with Newcastle, which saw Newcastle promoted back to the Premier League. Since joining Newcastle, Hayden has played 157 games, scoring 6 goals while getting 11 assists. He plays mainly as a defensive midfielder, but Hayden's versatility has seen him play at centre-half and even at right-back. Hayden was born in England to an English father and a Jamaican mother, and is eligible to represent both national teams. He has also represented England at every level from under 16 to under 21.